Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tying a double bead snell knot setup for trout, salmon, and steelhead. So today we're going to be using a quite large hook, just so everybody can see. This is a number 6. So first we're going to do is grab the hook in your fingers like this, the eyelet facing upwards, and we are going to insert the hook through the eyelet this way. Okay. Now make sure to hold it down the center as best as possible, and we're going to wrap it about 6-7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to hold the line with our fingers like that. We're going to huck 2 on it. Make sure you put some lube on it so you don't burn the line. And we're going to put the hook back the opposite way, and we're going to give it a nice slow pull so we get a nice knot just like that. Okay, so that's step number 1. Next, we're going to add our bead. Or actually, before that, we can actually cut the tagline off. I like to leave about 1/4 inch. Now we're going to add our bead. Today we're going to add this. This is a number 10 orange frosted. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to leave it about 2 fingers from the hook, about there. We're going to add our peg through the bottom. Give it a snug pull, cut the ends off. You can leave it about 1/8, just like that. You don't want to get too tight, you might cut the line. So there we go. Next, we're gonna add our next hook. And for video purposes, we're doing it pretty close to the bottom bead, but usually I like it about 12 inches above the bottom bead. So we're gonna grab our hook like this, make sure it's facing upwards, and we're going to insert the line from the back like that, so both hooks are facing in the same direction. Now we're going to grab the hook like that, same thing, 6-7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grab the line, don't forget to huck 2, and now we're going to run the line back through the eyelet and another snug pull. Give you a nice snell knot like that. Next step, we're going to add our second bead. And usually you tie this setup on about a 24 inch leader, maybe even longer depending on your depth. You can use the other half of the peg. Give it a nice snug pull. Cut the end off. And the other end off. And we got a double bead snell knot set up for trout, steelhead, and salmon. So both hooks will be facing the same way, just one there, and then your next one. So your setup should be like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Good luck fishing.